Life is a Race motivational short story. In this version, the story revolves around a young athletic boy who was hungry for success and measured his success only by winning. He participated in a running competition and won 2 races, feeling proud and important. He then pleaded for another race and was presented with 2 new challengers, an elderly frail old lady and a blind man. As the race began, the boy noticed that the elderly lady and the blind man were struggling to run. Instead of rushing ahead, he slowed down and ran alongside them, encouraging them to keep going. Together, they reached the finish line and the boy realized that the true victory was in helping others and enjoying the journey, rather than just winning. The story is often used as a metaphor for the importance of slowing down, helping others, and savoring life's moments. It emphasizes that life is not just about winning races or achieving goals, but about enjoying the journey and being kind to others. The lesson of the story is to appreciate the journey, help others along the way, and find joy in the process.